Plant family, 3 genera in Pandaceae. Exploring the Pandaceae family, a personal journey. As a plant enthusiast, my fascination with various plant families has led me to discover the intriguing Pandaceae family. With its unique genera such as Genera, Microdesmus, and Panda, the Pandaceae family presents a captivating blend of beauty and diversity. Let me take you through my experiences and insights into this remarkable family of flowering plants. Understanding the Pandaceae family. The Pandaceae family is a lesser-known group of flowering plants that primarily thrive in tropical regions. Its members exhibit a range of growth forms, from small shrubs to larger trees. My first encounter with a Pandaceae plant was truly serendipitous while visiting a botanical garden. The lush greenery and intricate leaf structures immediately piqued my interest. As I delved deeper, I discovered that this family is home to some fascinating genera. Genera, the underrated gem. One of the most captivating genera within the Pandaceae family is Genera. This genus comprises several species that often exhibit ornamental value. My experience with Genera began when I stumbled upon a beautiful specimen at a local plant nursery. The glossy leaves and vibrant colors were irresistible. Genera plants are typically found in tropical and subtropical regions, making them a great addition to any indoor plant collection. They thrive in bright, indirect sunlight and prefer well-draining soil. I found that keeping the soil slightly moist helps maintain their lush appearance. Additionally, Genera has become a conversation starter in my home. Friends are often surprised to learn about its unique family background. Microdesmus, a rare find. Another intriguing genus is Microdesmus. My first experience with this genus was during a hike in a tropical rainforest. I encountered a small tree with stunning yellow-green flowers that captured my attention. I learned that Microdesmus is known for its beautiful inflorescences, which are quite rare in the plant world. What I appreciate about Microdesmus is its adaptability. It can thrive in various soil types, but it prefers well-draining conditions. My plant has become a centerpiece in my garden, drawing the admiration of fellow gardening enthusiasts. I often share its growth journey on social media, sparking interest and encouraging others to explore this lesser-known genus. Panda, a symbol of resilience. The third genus, Panda, holds a special place in my heart. This genus includes species that are resilient and versatile, much like the bamboo plant it's named after. My journey with Panda began when I learned about its significance in various cultures. The symbolism of the panda as a gentle giant resonated with me, representing harmony and peace. Panda plants are known for their unique growth patterns and adaptability to different environments. I have several varieties in my collection, and each one has its own charm. Whether grown indoors or outdoors, they thrive in bright light and require minimal care. Their ability to flourish even in less-than-ideal conditions makes them an ideal choice for busy plant lovers like myself. Caring for Pandaceae plants. Caring for plants from the Pandaceae family has been a rewarding experience. I've learned that the key to success lies in understanding their specific needs. Most members prefer indirect light and well-draining soil. Overwatering is a common mistake I've encountered, so I ensure that the soil dries slightly between waterings. This practice not only promotes healthy root growth, but also prevents fungal issues. Fertilizing is another crucial aspect of plant care. I typically use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer during the growing season. This method has helped my Genera, Microdesmus, and Panda plants thrive, producing vibrant foliage and beautiful blooms. The importance of biodiversity. My exploration of the Pandaceae family has deepened my appreciation for biodiversity. Each genus within this family showcases the beauty of nature and its intricate relationships. In a world where many plant species face threats, it's essential to support conservation efforts and promote awareness about lesser-known families like Pandaceae. Conclusion: a lifelong passion. In conclusion, my journey with the Pandaceae family has been a fulfilling adventure. The diverse genera of Genera, Microdesmus, and Panda have enriched my understanding of plant life. Through care and observation, I've developed a deeper connection with these plants and a passion for promoting their beauty. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or a curious beginner, I encourage you to explore the Pandaceae family and experience the wonders it has to offer. Together, we can foster a greater appreciation for the incredible diversity of our plant world.